Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to manage your customers' membership via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, we will guide you on export your online store's members information. In your homepage, tap on People tab on the top. Then, click on Export Member. You'll then see a pop-out window notify that the CSV file has been sent to your email. Go to your email to check out the file and you can get all your members' information out here. Next, we'll guide you on adding new members to your online store. Do note that this function is for merchants who want to manually import their loyal customers to become members of their online store. At the instructions part, click on Download Member Import Template here. Then, open your CSV file and add in your customers' information. You can assign member tier to them based on your preferences. Once done, click Save. Scroll down and select your CSV file. Click Upload and wait for the process to be done. Your member will then receive email notification to notify them has become your online store's member. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.